Hey guys, welcome back to another RestoreMySneakers.com video. I'm your host, the Camera Guy, and in this episode we continue our featured segment of the week. Now first I want to thank everyone who provided comments and feedback about our last segment, and the thing that I need to really work on is talking a little less. So I'm going to work on that today for you guys. So our featured restore of the week is Ill Will the Barber 513. Now we're featuring him not because he's a barber, but because he's been creating restoration videos, in particular sneaker restoration videos out there for you. And I think he really can use, more viewers on his videos. But one of the big things he was really involved in was Ski Glow. He actually gives some really informative and in-depth videos on how he goes about doing the Ski Glow process. Now, you guys are probably tired of all these Ski Glow videos, but hey, it's more information. You can definitely ask him questions about that. But the reason why we're featuring today is because he's actually released an Air Jordan 8 Aqua repainting or painting midsole video that I think will be very helpful to many of you, because we tend to get a lot of questions on repainting midsoles and in particular the Air Jordan 8 Aqua. So he has a video up, and the reason why we like the video is he gives a lot of information in detail about how he goes about doing it, tells you all the colors and paints you're going to need, where you can buy them, and he's open for questions. And that's the thing that's really important, is the fact that he is willing to answer some of your questions. So go check him out, go to his channel, go to his video, subscribe, ask him questions, leave him some comments, and really support him, because I think Ill Will the Barber is someone who will definitely continue to make really great videos, and if not improve on what he's already doing right now. Alright, so the next thing I want to talk about is an app called Sneakerology. Now, the people from Sneakerology contacted us a few days ago to feature their app in one of our segments. And so, we decided to test run the app, see how it works. And so I'm going to give you guys the pros and cons of what I think about the app, and at the end you're going to have the decision as to whether or not you want to buy it or not. So, the Sneakerology app is essentially a hub that pulls in all this RSS feeds from websites and blogs into one location. So instead of you having to visit all these different websites and blogs to get your information, all you need is this one mobile app to actually go through and see all these different articles and features. Now, the other component of Sneakerology is a social component. Now, the social component is kind of simple. All you got to do is swipe up on the actual screen, and you'll see the activity that other users are participating in, whether they're commenting on different articles or they're liking certain videos. So if you're liking and commenting on stuff, other users will be able to see that. There's also a more option here, which will list more blog sites and articles and even YouTube videos that are there as well. They also feature us here as well, but I was hoping that they could actually feature other restorers, not just us, because there's other videos out there that are available. So that's something that they can work on. And also you can kind of change what the Explorer bar down here has. You can kind of click on Edit and sort of select what you want to actually put in the app. Overall, it's a really cool app. If you are really interested in sneakers and you want a quick way to find information and read up on sneakers, this app is really good for that. My suggestions for a future update for this is to give the users an option to just pull all the articles and blog site information that they want into one section, instead of creating all these different icons. Maybe I just want to have all the stuff pulled in one location instead of in separate little icons. That's one suggestion. For the community or the social aspect, maybe they can add a text, or not text, but chat option, which I don't think is there. And I think there's a little bug with their more section where you want to configure the actual icons. So it's not a perfect app right now. I guess they're still working on it. Hopefully in an update they can fix it. And so those are just some of the things that I wanted to point out about the app. Now, the app, how much it's going to cost you, it's going to set you back about $2. So it's just something you want to decide on if you want it or not. And there are some videos online already that review this product as well. So just go type in Sneakerology on YouTube, and I guess I'll have their website information here as well, so you can check out their app. So that does it for this week's featured segment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to stay tuned for our next episode.